Here are my spinner collections. These are all rather old. Some of them are rusty. That one's pretty rusty. That one needs oil. We do oil these things. You just run some motor oil along there, and you can see when you squeeze the when you push the handle, the top spins and quickly, and it spins off the paint and the paint water that's in there. So you slide your roller on there like this. You squeeze the paint out back into your bucket as much as you can. Then you'll have some nice dirty paint, which you probably should filter later. Then you run it underwater, and you stick it in a bucket, and you spin. And you run it underwater, and you spin. You can do the same thing with a brush. They're designed to hold a brush in this clip, but I don't do that with a brush. You'll have to check my video on how I clean a brush. It's just too hard to get the brush in there. And so many times I've hurt myself doing that, so I just gave up. Same idea though. Spin the brush dry, and but that's not how I clean a brush. But I do have a video on that.